Hey guys, I'm Valerie from DIY-Robotics. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to build your own industrial robotic cell with our FANUC Build Your Cell tool. The first step is as easy as choosing your cell. Go to the right sidebar menu to see all cells available. When you've chosen the one you want, simply click on it and drag and drop it on the overview board. You may now choose your robot. Go to the right sidebar menu to see all FANUC robots available for that specific cell. When you've chosen the one you want, you may click on it and drag and drop it like you did in step 1. You're almost done. It's time to choose your modules. You may navigate from side to side on the top here. Go to the right sidebar menu to navigate between module options A, B, C, or D. Look for the module you want and drag and drop it where you want it. Make sure to add all required modules. Otherwise, you won't be able to proceed with the next step. When all elements have been checked in blue on the top left here, you're done. As long as all required modules have been added, you may leave some empty sides to your robotic cell. If you'd like to take a look at your work in 3D, press the 3D icon on the top right. You may now see your robotic cell from all angles. If you'd like to download your 3D file, click on the top left button here. When you're satisfied with your work, you may submit your cell. By doing so, you are not making any purchase. A member of our team will reach out to schedule a free consultation with one of our experts. You'll be able to discuss your robotic project and make sure that you've got the right robotic cell for your application. Thanks for watching, and if you need any assistance as you build your cell, don't hesitate to chat with us.